Jogo masiro lwedo Building Bridges Initiative onyis mondo okir oko paro mar chwalo burano ero e nyim doho ma Supreme. Atok doho mar Ayuagra kata Court of Appeal nokiro oko wach gundho pend chike mapacho kaendi. Ajaod bura Mauriri ma Kanyamita kaachiel kod nyawadgi ma Wendo owacho ni jotelo nego koro kete okang' mambele wach yiero mar 2022 kaachiel kod siro lwedo moluor Raila Odinga e yudo telo. Bende okwayo sirikal mondo oket piny okenge duto manyalo konyo e ting'o malo kata bero ngima jo Kenya. E kamachielo jaod bura Manyatike Tom Odege onyiso duol mochung'ne wechego eko mag yiero kaachiel kod tong' e pacho kaendi manoeri IEBC mondo kik tim procurement moramora nyaka gibed gi commissioners moromo. Atkaw kamano to inyal thuloko kata inyal gol e kom jakom mar duol noero manoeri Wafula Chebukati.
On the BBI, we respect the court and their decision. We might have wanted it to go otherwise, but because we are law-abiding, we completely respect the decision of the Court of Appeal on the ruling against BBI. And I think now, as all Kenyans, we must now come together and focus on the journey right ahead of us, which is the elections of the year 2022. And we are now urging the government to put all concerted efforts to try and improve the living standards of our people. I do not think that there is any need for us to go to the Supreme Court over this matter. That opportunity is going to come at a later time. In the whole of it, probably one or two things might have been overlooked. And let us take it as a learning process. And the next time we're pushing such an initiative, we ensure that we don't skip any of those processes so that all Kenyans walk in one direction.
Right now, we respect the court and the verdict of the court. We are not going to complain about the court because they exercised their constitutional right by delivering the judgment that they delivered yesterday. So as a party, we'll sit down and agree on what to do going forward. But the most important thing for now is to prepare for the 2022 general elections. We are not supposed to spend our time talking about BBI that is already dismissed by court.
When you have a team or a referee which has conducted a very complete football match and the match has been appealed and the court has ruled that the referee was wrong, you don't trust that referee again to conduct another rematch. So the elections we are going on, if you look at the judgment we had in court after the 2017 elections, was an automatic disqualification of the current IEBC. They don't have a face to conduct another elections. So maybe some people are looking at them tribally, but the truth is the ruling of the Maraga team made every Kenyan to know that the current IEBC we have, they are not credible enough to be trusted with any other elections. We need a new team.